Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can change the language for your Opera GX web browser. So without further ado, let us get started. Launch the Opera GX web browser on your computer, be it on your laptop or PC. And here on your home feed, simply click on that gear icon to the left to access your browser settings. And inside your browser settings, scroll down, keep scrolling until you get to that section here, Advanced. So expand by clicking on that arrow down icon. And then keep scrolling further till you get to the language section, which should be somewhere at the bottom of that list. There you go. So that's the section called Preferred Language. So you may choose a default or main language for your Opera GX interface by adding it to your list here to the right where it says Add Languages. So simply click on Add Languages, search for your language. Like for example, I will go with Dutch. Click on Add here for demonstration purposes. And now what you want to do, guys, is change the order of your languages. For example, I would like to make Dutch my main language. To do that, click on these three dots here to the right and click on Move to the top. And after that, click on these three dots here to the right again and select Display Opera in this language. Opera GX will then ask you to relaunch it. And after that, Opera GX and its interface will be displayed in the given language. And that's basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.